In the British main battle tank family, you have Centurion, the granddad, Chieftain, the dad, and the brothers Challenger 1 and Challenger 2. Then you have the estranged middle child, which everyone kind of forgot about, Khalid.
DJ Khalid!
No, not that one. This is the Khalid main battle tank, British built for service with the Royal Jordanian Army. It originally started out as the Shear 1 program, which began in 1974, which involved the British building tanks for the Iranians. Iran was the biggest foreign operator of Chieftain, so this was convenient. What wasn't convenient for the project was the Islamic Revolution in 1979, which effectively ended the Shear 1 and the more advanced Shear 2 project. But not all hope was lost, as the Jordanians were interested in a new main battle tank, and so Shear 1 evolved into Khalid. Whilst the front looks almost identical to the Chieftain, the sides and rear are very different. Khalid uses a Perkins CV12 diesel engine, which would later be used in Challenger 1, making Khalid an important stepping stone in the development of British main battle tanks.